We'll guide you through how to reset the screen time passcode on an iPhone if forgotten. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're in the situation of where you've forgotten the screen time passcode on an iPhone. This is a frustrating problem because perhaps you're wanting to go and turn off a setting which is protected by this, or even just go and change it. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about resetting it and fixing this problem. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may miss an important part of this. To get started, you want to go and open up the Settings app like so. Now, go and scroll down. You want to go and find screen time. As you can see, here it is. So let's go and say I go into Content and Privacy Restrictions. I try and turn them off, or even try just changing a setting. You're going to go and see it asks us for the screen time passcode. And let's go and say I enter it because it's wrong. So let's go about resetting it. So we're then able to go and change these different settings which are protected by it. So what we actually need to do is come back to the first screen time settings page like this. Then what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down and find the option for change screen time passcode. When you go and see that there, you want to go and tap on it like this. And we have the option for change and turn off. So what we can do is go and press change. Now, when you go and access it via this way, we actually go and have the option for forgot passcode. So what we can do is go and press forgot passcode. And now we can start the recovery process. So in order to go and reset it and recover it, we can go and use this with the Apple ID we provided when we first set up the screen time passcode as a reset method. So what we can do is we can go and type this in. Of course, your email will be different, but you could also go and enter in your phone number there. So I'm going to go and do this now, and I'll show you the next step. Go and press OK, and now we can go and enter in the new screen time passcode. So of course, make sure you make this one you can go and remember. So I'm going to go and type that in now, and then we can verify it, and that's it. It'll then go and be changed. So then we can come in here. I'm just going to go and restart the settings. And I'll come back just to go and show you that code's now going to go and work. Let's go and say I want to turn these off. I'll press the switch, type in the code, and that is it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.